advertisers pay you or how you make money on YouTube. For you to make money on YouTube, so you have decided to start a YouTube channel this year and you don't even understand what it means to start a YouTube channel as a business. Well, starting a YouTube channel requires a lot. When I mean a lot, I mean a lot. It requires time, dedication, hard work, and commitment. You don't just start a YouTube channel and just leave it like that and assume that yes, it will blow and you will make it at once. No, you start it, give it time, you give it your commitment and everything for a start. You understand? So in this video today, we'll be talking about profitable niches that you can go into if you intend to start up a YouTube channel as a business. Yes, as a business. So before we go into that, I would like to talk about CPM and RPM, which means how much advertisers pay you or how you make money on YouTube. For you to make money on YouTube, you have to have met monetization guidelines. You understand? Which is, I think now it is 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. You get, and once you are able to attain that, bam, you can apply for monetization. For you to know how much you can be making as a YouTuber, you have to understand CPM and RPM. CPM means cost per 1,000 mile, while RPM means revenue per 1,000 mile. You understand? Now, CPM is how much advertisers are paying. You get, and RPM is how much YouTube is actually paying you. Now, the reason why it is like that is just because YouTube has to take some cuts from the money, and well, they're doing right because we're using their platform. It's just as if we are paying rent to YouTube for using their platform. If you're living in a house, definitely you pay the rent if the house is not yours. So it is the same thing as YouTube. Now, revenue per mile is the amount of money YouTube pays you after they've removed their own cut from the amount of money the advertisers have actually paid. If you like this video and you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? This is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing me for the very first time, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video and share, and also let me know if you're interested in starting a YouTube business in the comment section, and let me also know if you have any question whatsoever that you want to ask in the comment section, and I'll be right there to respond to you. And to the returning subscriber, to the amazing families, you guys have been so wonderful. I really appreciate you guys and I love you guys back to back. 15 profitable niches that you can dive into when you intend to make YouTube a business, and we'll be starting from the smallest to the highest. Now, number 15 on this list is the comedy, and the CPM for comedy niche is $1. Comedy niche usually gets a lot of views, so the $1 doesn't really matter if you are intending to go into the comedy niche because it gets a lot of views, and in no time the money accumulates. The number 14 on this list is the entertainment niche. The entertainment niche has a CPM of $1.20. Entertainment niche are the niches like maybe the ones that give you gist, you know, blogging gist on celebrities, 5 richest people in the world, blah blah blah. Those niches are considered entertainment niche. Number 13 on the list is the travel niche, and the CPM for the travel niche is $1.40. Now, travel niche costs a lot, but this niche is good if you're just looking to start YouTube for leisure or entertainment. If you're not, please travel around your state or travel around your country for a start until you start getting tons of views. Then you can now take it international. Now, the number 12 on this list is the fitness list, and the fitness list has a CPM of $1.60. Number 11 is the tech niche. Now, a lot of people believe that there is so much money in tech. Yes, the CPM is $2.39. So if you're looking to make maybe like $1 million or $5,000 in a month so fast on the tech niche, you have to work towards it a lot. Now, the number 10 on our list is the cooking niche. The cooking niche actually has a CPM of $2.50 generally. You understand? So if you're looking to go into the cooking niche, it's also not a bad business, you get, considering you're just teaching people how to cook this and how to do this and how to do that, and it gets a lot of views. Tell me, who doesn't eat in the world? There is number 9 is beauty and makeup. CPM is $3. Yes, pam, their CPM is $3. And the number 8 is the review and the commentary niche. Review and the commentary niche, where you review other people's channel, is also $3. Number 7 on our list is fashion and try on hauls. You know, when you talk about fashion, maybe you go out to shop, try on hauls, and maybe you buy an item from Gucci, Shein, and all of those people, and you decide to maybe make a video about it. You're doing a try on haul, and the CPM is usually around $3.47. Around $3.47 for a 1,000 views. Number 6 on the list is the lifestyle. For the lifestyle, the CPM is $3.50. Number 5 on our list is spiritual and motivation niche. Spiritual and motivation niche has a CPM of $4.50. Now, $4.50, the CPM is good, but you need to work so much. You need to work more. You need to upload more shorts, more video for you to, blow on the spiritual niche. Now, the number 4, one of the number 4 is the educational niche. Now, a lot of you did not know that the educational niche has a lot of money. It does, because one thing YouTube loves, or one thing they want to always do, is to give value. So when it comes to you creating educational content, you always want to give value. So if you're trying to give value and you're using the educational content as your own niche, it is actually one of the best niches you can find. CPM is actually around $9.30. You understand? For 8,000 views, around $9.30 for 8,000 views. So number 3 on our list is the personal finance and investment niche. Personal finance and investment niche, their CPM is around $12. Yes, when they talk about how you can invest, personal finance, crypto, and all of those things, betting and all of those things, their CPM is actually very, very high. Hey, I caught cap. Their CPM is actually very, very high, and it's actually profitable business when you intend to go into a YouTube business in that niche. Guys, this is the number 1. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. The number 1 is the one that you think about or you want to consider. Number 1 and number 2, because that's where we are going now. You want to consider it, because any business that one wants to venture right now, you need to be sure that it is a profitable business. The number 2 on our list is digital marketing. Now, if you are the type of person that talks about growth, how to grow on TikTok, how to grow on YouTube, how to grow on Instagram, the digital marketing niche is for you. Around $12.52. Yes, the cent matters a lot. It's one on the list is make money online niche. Now, make money online niche is one of the best, or I would say is one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. Advertisers pay a lot. You understand? When you open YouTube, you see adverts like Opay, Kukash, Kuda, and all those particular adverts are actually looking to head towards those that are looking for how to make money on YouTube. And on YouTube, you have a lot of videos about how you make money, and people are coming in daily to learn something about how to. You understand? How to make money, how to get paid, how to do this on YouTube. So it is one of the most sorted after niches, one of the most. And then their CPM is around $13, maybe around $13 for 70 cents, around $13.70, or let's just approximate it to around $14. Yes, they make one of the most monies on YouTube. So if you're considering or thinking of starting a profitable YouTube business, I've given you 15 profitable niches that you can dive into. Just sit down, rewatch this video, think about it, which one resonates with you, because you have to go with the one that you know that yes, you can be consistent with, because YouTube likes consistency. So you have to go with the one that you know that yes, you can be consistent with and upload regularly for you to make money in the long run, because it is actually a long-term business for you to make money in the long run on YouTube. So without wasting much of our time, guys, let me know if you have any questions about starting a profitable YouTube business. Put it in the comment section, please, and I'll be there to answer you. And if you have not shared this video, if you have someone that is looking to start a YouTube channel before they start, or someone that you know that they can start a YouTube channel and do well, please share this video with them, share it with them. Because with the economic situation of Nigeria, everyone is looking for how to make money online and how to upscale their financial life. And this is what this channel is all about. So without wasting much of our time, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.